Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me a lot. You can also get more of me. You know you want to subscribe and tap the notification bell down below so you never miss an upload. We are very quickly going to dive in and do this little Ulta haul. I have some really good stuff, I think. I always say too, when I'm shopping from Ulta, I try to save up points for when I know I'm going to make a purchase. And then I try to shop sales. Meaning, is e.l.f. on sale, buy one, get one for however? And is there a free gift with purchase? That kind of thing. That's how I personally like to shop, especially heading into holiday season. You know, maybe there's something in here that I won't use. We can gift it. We can pay it forward to other people. We're diving right in. First and foremost, you guys wanted to see some advent calendars this holiday season, and I've already filmed a couple, and I also got this one right here. This is the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty 12-piece advent calendar. Of course, this will be its very own unboxing, but I will say right off the bat that I love that it's not overtly holiday or overtly Christmas. I personally like that. So I have that. You guys will see that. You may even see that before the haul video. I'm not quite sure, but you will see that coming up very, very soon. And you guys also suggested that I do some full face drugstore makeup. So we have a full face, y'all, of e.l.f. Cosmetics. e.l.f. has some of my holy grail products, y'all, so I'm very, very excited about this. I'm going to dive into all the e.l.f. stuff that I got. I got the Putty Bronzer in Honey Drip. I also got a Putty Blush in the shade Bali. I do have the Luminous Putty Blush, but I wanted to try a standard one, and that one was in a bright orange, and I wanted to lean just a little bit different with the colors that I chose this time around. I will also say that Ulta actually packaged everything shockingly well this time. All right. We also have two of the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palettes. I did get the Cream and Sugar and the Love You a Latte. I got the Love You a Latte because I felt like it had a little bit of depth in it, and it's just mattes. And then I got the Cream and Sugar so that I could have a couple of shimmers to play with. I have tried these in the past. I did have one of their blush duos as well as their, it was the green version of this, but really, really good, and $3. I also picked up a Flawless Satin Foundation from e.l.f. medium coverage. I did get the shade 250 Buff. We shall see because it's looking a little bit dark. We'll find out when we do our full face of e.l.f. I also picked up the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. Really excited about that as well. I also picked up the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. I feel like I tried this before and I didn't like it, but I don't remember. Y'all know we're going to be brutally honest when we do this e.l.f. video, y'all. I also picked up a little mini of the, this might have been like a little freebie, I'm not quite sure. It was the e.l.f. Sea Bright Putty Primer. We have the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in Medium Brown. So I may honestly use this instead of the pencil. We'll figure it out when we get there. I got the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Disco Queen. And I figured doing like the neutral eye and then having this be like a pop of like shimmer over the lids, I think it's going to be beautiful. I also, to do a holiday look, also requested from you guys, I got the e.l.f. Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in Aurora. And it is a beautiful green, but as you can see, it has like different sparkles in there, and there's a lot of like teal and blue in there as well. I thought that would be stunning just to do like maybe all over, maybe a little bit of like a crease color. Excited. I also picked up a e.l.f. Glossy Lip Stain in Pinkies Up. I actually thought I had this, and then I either don't know what I did with it, I gave it away, or it was in my declutter. Next up, we have the e.l.f. Wow Brow Tinted Brow Gel. I also have the Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner in the shade Rose, I think. Yeah, soft pink. And then I think this might have also been a little freebie. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And then I had to re-up. They had like buy one, get one free or something like that with the Tarte Minis. If you know, you know. Holy Grail, favorite concealer of all time, of all existence. It's a Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy, and I always get Light Sand. I had to re-up. I love this stuff so much. And then this was free with that purchase, or vice versa. It is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the shade Primrose. Let me double check that I don't have this particular shade, because if I do, I'll just go ahead and give this away to you guys. Okay, I have Grapefruit. So I'm really excited to test this out. To my knowledge, I don't remember testing these out just yet. I could be wrong. And then with all of this stuff, which that wasn't a big purchase at all, e.l.f. products are incredibly reasonably priced, and for the quality, aside from a couple of misses I've had, for the price point, I think the quality is fantastic. Then you also got a gift with purchase. I love this little bag. Of course, it'll probably end up going to somebody else, but I liked the fact that it came with a cute little bag, and it is full of a bunch of goodies. I will take all this out and show it to you guys. And that, again, is the time that I like to shop. I like to shop when I already know, I knew that you guys wanted to see an advent calendar. Let me go ahead and pick the advent calendar up. It was on sale. You guys wanted to see a full face using drugstore products or me incorporating more drugstore items. We did that as well. And I got me a free gift with purchase, y'all. And I got to restock up on some Holy Grail Tarte product. I mean, what more could you ask for? Okay. So in our little bag, I'll just go through it really quickly. But I really like to do that. Using points, coupons. There was also like a $10 off coupon or something, I think. And then getting a freebie. I like to get my bang for my buck, so to speak. All right, so we have I don't know what this is, a Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to put that to the side. Also with these putty primers, I may use the Sea Bright. I'll figure it out when I film that day. I do know that I'm not going to use the poreless putty. These tend to pill up on me because my skin is so dry and textured. So I'll put that with this little Laura Mercier thing. We'll put those to the side for you guys later on down the line. Next up is this little sample of the Tula Skincare Take Care and Polish, and then Take Care and Nourish. I love getting things like this because we frequently visit Caleb. So I like to have little minis, and I go through them pretty quickly. Next is a little mini of the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine. I'm sure that smells fantastic if I could actually smell it. Moving on. We have the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster something or other. I guess I could read the side that I can actually read. Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster. I'll put that to the side for you guys. We have a little mini of the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This was decent as a primer. It was not moisturizing, in my opinion. I'll put that over here for you guys. We have an Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I love this product, so I'm definitely keeping that for myself. I gotta be a little selfish sometimes, y'all. Sometimes. Next, we have a Sexy Hair Imperfect Nectarine. Imperfect Nectarine what? Healthy Strengthening Nectarine Mask. I'll put that over here for you guys. We have a few more perfume samples. We have Chloe. That just fell on the floor. Chloe Eau de Parfum. We have an Alien by Mugler. I don't even know how to say that. We have a Good Fortune from Victor and Rolf. Well, they were handing out the perfume samples in this bag. We have a Dior J'adore. I love that fragrance. We have an Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. We have an IGK Payday Instant Repair Shampoo, a conditioner, and an Instant Repair Serum. I'll also take that for when I travel to go see my sweet baby. We have a Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Mary Jo K. I'll put that for you guys. We have a Love Wellness Calm Collagen unflavored sugar-free tear sticks. Okay, I'll try that out. Next, we have an Urban Skin Retinol Rapid Repair Treatment. I'll pass that along. Next is the La Roche-Posay, the Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. That's the last damn thing I need. Definitely passing that along. Then we have, I don't think I've tried this yet, the Urban Decay Vegan Plant-Powered Volumizing Mascara. Is it called something, or is that what it's called? Maybe it's just called Wild? I don't know. It's from the Wild collection. I do know that. And y'all know I'm obsessed with mascaras. I hope I like it. And then we have a Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. I'll put that with your stuff. And last but certainly not least is this little Thayer's Facial Toner in Witch Hazel. I've tried this before. I'm pretty sure I have some still. I thought I did. Maybe I don't. But I have tried it before. I'm pretty sure I decluttered it because I had way too much. That's it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.